Hi, I'm Alan Chong and I'm a Feng Shui Consultant. Very often I get a question from my clients and audience is that how do you actually do a Feng Shui consultation, or how does a Feng Shui audit is being carried out, and how you can find a good Feng Shui house. So this short clip is just to explain this little point, but to do this you need three important steps. There are three important steps to achieve a good Feng Shui house. So I'm going to explain the first process, and the first process is actually to match the house to the land formations. Now what do I mean by land formation? Land formation basically means mountains and waters. So if you can look at the far side here, very far away there is a mountain range. So that is real mountain, okay? And over this side, you can also see that there's a nearby, there's a little hills here behind. So these are the real mountains, and these are what we are looking for. And also waters. For example, if you look at this little telecom post here, behind the telecom post is actually a pond, a natural pond. And that is also part of land formation. Now, what about man-made features? Are man-made features part of land formations? Well, they are also have some effect on the Feng Shui of the house, but they are man-made formations, okay? So man-made formations, they have waters. For example, in this case, in this development, there are some waters coming in. Now these waters also has an effect on to the property. Now the effect can be double-fold, meaning that it can bring good things to the house, it can also bring bad things to the house. So it depends on the other factors to match them up together. Okay, now in a development like this, it's not always true that when the development has water, that every house will enjoy good Feng Shui. Not necessary. As I said before, it depends whether that water is good or bad to a certain house. Now, as you can see on my right here, see these are the row of houses that's facing this direction, right? And then you have the opposite side that is facing the opposite direction. And if we take a walk here to this property, they are facing a different angle, right? So different property facing will result in different results in terms of Feng Shui. So these are some of the things that is very, very important when you select a house property if you really want to have good Feng Shui. Okay, then what about the external features that some people say that is bad for the property? For example, the telecom post, right? They say that the telecom post will bring bad energy, or perhaps this wall, right? This wall is pointing right towards the property opposite here, right? So is this wall or that pole going to bring bad energy to this property? Now, in the real Feng Shui methodology, we can easily handle this problem. It's not a main issue. So you can safely ignore this kind of problems, right? So in real Feng Shui, we only talk about one thing: land formation matching the house. And land formation is hills, mountain ranges, as well as rivers and lakes. These are the things only that we need to take care. Okay? So now I'm going to bring you to the next process, which is how to internally lay out the house to obtain the best energy distribution inside the house. Okay? So we can take a move inside.